Wow. Wow, it's a mobile stunt launcher. You ready to open? Can Teo open it? Ask Daddy for help.
Daddy help. Okay.
Oh, let's open it. You excited, Teo? Wow. Let's see what's inside.
It's out there.
Wow, the truck is ready. Are you ready, Teo, to park your cars? Okay, let's go. How you gonna park your cars? Oh, on that side. More cars. Oh, going to the front. Oh, how many cars gonna fit? Let's see. 3 on that side. Take the shorter one. Full already? Okay. Blue car. Another blue car.
Red car is ready.
Red car. Okay. More cars, please.
Green car. That one is too long.
Wow, green car is coming in. Blue. Oh, it's full already. Maybe one more small car can fit. No.
Coming out.
Oh, turn around the truck, please.
Wow.
Can still park on the other side.
Every car comes.
Okay. Wow. Gonna be full very soon. Yellow car. Oh, wow, green car. Oh, I think it's full already. How many cars they count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 14.
No, Diane.
14. Can fit 3 more, I think. 1. Close it there.
Close it. Yeah. 17. Because it says 80. truck there as well. Then. Why not?
Okay, I think it's full.
Truck. Ready. Start.
Okay. One more car.
Ready. Car.
Okay, now the truck can go. Okay, ready to go. Wow. Slowly. We've got so many cars inside. We have to go slowly. Oh, very full. See what's that is making there. It's a loop.
This one there. I haven't seen this one.
Oh, nice.
Ready? Go. Wow.
Wow. Uh-oh, what did you do? Oh, you open it. Oh, Monaik plane. Okay, you wanna go on a plane? Wow. You're gonna open that up and then pull it, please. Tarik that way. Yes. Yes. Wow. Good. Put some more cars over there. Wow, that's it a lot. One more. What happened? No space.
Wow. Wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
It's going into the box, see? Let's go this one. Goes into the box.
Are you ready, Theo? Let's try. Wow. Two at a time.
By the time,
Let's
let's see.
see. Wow. I try one first.
Wow, yellow turn, yellow car turn. One at a time. Let's try one at a time. I'm gonna try two. Be careful. Let's see.
Okay, ready? Wow. One more time.
Here we go.
Okay. Wow.